In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Robots.txt in Rank Math. This quick guide will help you control how search engines crawl your WordPress site using Rank Math's built-in editor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From here, open the Rank Math SEO menu and go to General Settings. Inside General Settings, look for the option labeled Edit Robots.txt and click it. This opens Rank Math's Robots.txt editor. You'll now see a text area showing your current virtual robots.txt. Virtual simply means Rank Math serves the file dynamically, even if there isn't a physical robots text on your server. Before making changes, it's a good idea to copy the existing content and paste it into a temporary note so you have a fallback. That way, if you don't like the results, you can restore what you had. Inside the editor, you can add or adjust rules. The most common directives are disallow, allow, and sitemap. Disallow tells crawlers which paths they should not access. Allow makes exceptions to a disallow rule. The sitemap line points crawlers to your sitemap, which helps them discover content efficiently. A typical safe starting point for many WordPress sites might look like this. User agent. Disallow, blah bup admin. Allow, bup admin admin, Ajax PHP. Sitemap. HTTPS, example.com, sitemap index. XML. User agent indicates which crawlers the rules apply to, and an asterisk means all crawlers. Disallowing the admin area is standard, while allowing admin Ajax keeps necessary functionality accessible. The sitemap line helps search engines find your index of sitemaps quickly. Replace the example URL with your actual sitemap URL if needed. When adding rules, keep them simple and precise. Don't block important directories like uploads, themes, or plugins unless you're absolutely sure. Avoid using disallow, unless your goal is to block the entire site from being crawled. Also remember that robots.txt is public, so never put private information in it. You can add comments for your own reference by starting a line with a hash symbol, like this is a note, which is ignored by crawlers. Once your edits look good, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your updated robots.txt is now active. Rank Math will serve this version to search engines when they request it. If you ever need to adjust the rules in the future, just return to the same screen, update the text, and save again. That's it. You've learned how to edit robots.txt in Rank Math, what the key directives mean, and how to use them responsibly for better crawl control.